just parked here outside the Tommy Maxi Market. And this is the shopping area here. We are moving to another place tomorrow, and it's called Pakostane. Adriatic Sea. Adriatic coastline. Been by here at Lidl, getting some stuff for our 4-day stay in Pakostane. It's Lidl here and Croatia. Where is the toilet? I was checking if there's Filipino. Just shopping. Wedding shopping.
Just taking it along with us now.
Yeah, looking for a toilet.
Yeah, I think I saw something.
What did you see?
We'll be back.
In the back. Who did you see?
I don't know. I think I saw like
Filipino.
I thought they were bread, but it's not bread.
Oh, sorry. Shopping. Shein, cosmetics.
Must be eggs, surely.
Must be them right there.
For fun.
I like that for some. Oh, fun. Not here because it's a.
You never know.
Did you get some sausages already? Grocery done. Going for 4 days. I like their little toilet. See, they sell their bottles. They sell their bottles. Like in Germany. When in Germany it's the same. They buy their used
inside. These bags in.
I put it in my lap.
I can put.
We have arrived at our new home for 4 days. It's called Villa Garam. That's good. We have arrived here. We just parked, and I think that's the Villas Garam Resort. Pakostane, that's Pakostane. This is our apartment or villa for 4 nights. So we got kitchen here, bathrooms, and bedroom. That's fine. And sofa bed and a balcony. And they got 4 swimming pools, which we're gonna check out later. Yeah, looks lovely, Daddy. Very nice. Belly, table. Yeah, let's get the kids then.
Pick stuff up.
Well, your Daddy can try it out sometime. House for Charlie and Chloe. How do you do it?
Open it.
Yeah, you can show us how to open.
Okay, just a minute.
I'll just pull it out.
Okay,
Ah, it's lovely.
and the bread sheets are here. Okay, super easy.
Oh.
Simple.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you.
See you.
See ya.
Bye.
Ah, it's beautiful.
Are you being serious or were you just saying?
What's the lights?
Yeah, get stuff in the fridge.
So basically, moral of the story, don't believe parents.
Put your shoes in by here so we don't get
The stuff in here, don't.
messy. We can step on our bare foot then. Look in the fridge.
Especially that one.
Stop inside.
Ah.
One side was done well.
Frying pan.
You said you have the
Is that frying pan?
You can have that one. That's okay. I don't have this one.
Which is just the old one?
Yeah, that one's old. The other stuff right here.
That one. That one's the milk. Well, that's it, anyway.
Juice.
Make it 2 cups.
Probably.
There's a password for the internet.
Nice bathroom. Chloe, there's our hair dryer. Plenty of towels.
Huh?
We got hair dryer here. Different style of sink as well. Loads of shampoos, soap, and conditioner. That's the boiler. Don't have a door here, but I think the floor is slanting, so the water will go in, go out there.